These are the elevators at the USF Marshall Student Center in Tampa, Florida. Let's go 4. This one was just waiting for us. Go to 1. So these were Ameritech, installed in 2008, and then they got modded by Kone recently. We're gonna get the other elevator. There's no, actually I just realized there's no certificate on this one. So this one was still in the process of being modded the last time I came here in January of 2026. I'm filming this in May. £3,500 capacity. Gives the address right here. So we're actually going to go up to 3 for a specific reason I'll tell you in a minute. Interesting, it says elevators are equipped with a video recording device for emergency situations only. So, what I wanted to show you was, if you go this way, back into the conference rooms, we can find the service elevator, which we're not going to ride, but we are going to take a look at. Yes, the service elevator has not been modded. It still has Dewhurst fixtures. So that's 3 of the 4 elevators in the building. Not sure if we can find the 4th. I say find when I know where it is. I just don't know if we can get in. It's in that section of the building. Okay, it is after hours, so we're unfortunately not able to get back there, but we can ride one of these elevators back to 1 and also take a look at the atrium. Second thought, we're just going to end the video up here. That'll be it.